Hello everyone, this is the agenda and objectives for the week of March 1st. And so we're going to start off with our weekly review. This week, the video that you will be watching will be about perfect squares and square roots. This is going to be in preparation for the type of factoring that we are going to do next week. And so what we want to do is we want to, as you can see over here, that I want you to make sure that you know those perfect squares and the square roots of perfect squares from 1 to 20 and from 400 to 1. And it's going to talk about this in this video as well. After you practice, and I don't care how you practice, whether that's note cards or a Quizlet, however you want to make sure that you have those memorized, then you will be taking the weekly review number 9, which is just a short quiz on these perfect squares. And this, like I said, will be getting us ready for the type of factoring that we will do next week. Now, let's look at what we'll be doing this week. This week you will have 2 videos that will help you prepare for this week's lesson. The first one is on page 41 and it's 7 minutes. And the second one is on page 42 and it's 9 minutes. And they should be watched in this order. Watch page 41 first and then page 42 second. And please make sure that you're working along doing the problems as you're watching the video. What our objective will be for this particular lesson this week is that we will be learning how to factor by grouping. And factor by grouping occurs when the polynomial has 4 terms. And so that's the type of factoring that we're going to be focusing on this week. When you finish, you have 2 formative assessments. They're right here. And they are due 1 week from today, which is March 8th at 9 a.m. Remember that you have Zoom sessions that you can attend, and those are Tuesday, March 2nd, Wednesday, March 3rd, Thursday, March 4th. Those all occur at noon, and you can bring any problem that you are having difficulty with to those Zoom sessions and get some help with it. After you finish your formative assessment, you've come to the Zoom session and you're feeling really confident, then we have a summative assessment. Remember that this is like a test and you do only have 1 attempt on it, and that is due March 8th by 9 a.m. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me.